Hi all, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So, in the last class, I discussed about what is data visualization and what are all the applications of data visualization and why we are using it and what are all the process we are done for this visualizing the data. So in this class I discuss about what are all the 5 stages of data visualization. So we cross these 5 stages, we can gather the data from the raw data. So we got a knowledgeable information which we are shown to the audience. So there are 5 stages or data acquisition, data presentation, data refinement, data parsing and data filtering. So first stage is data acquisition. So first data will be collected from some databases. So we have n number of data related to the particular topic. So we collect all the information from the different database. For example, if we want to get the details about the students, we can collect more number of details, their personal details and their academic details, what are all the percentage we gathered, what is his 10th percentage, 12th percentage at the current CGPA. So these are all collected for particular students. So we want to visualize the data, we can collect n number of data from the different sources. So the challenge of data acquisition is data quality. So the main aim is data quality, and after we consolidating the data into a visual element, the accuracy will be very important role. So first data acquisition, so we collect the data from the databases, and the quality is very important. So we also collect a large volume of data. So example, so stock prices from Yahoo. So this is the example for data acquisition. So this is the very large data sets. So we collect the data set and we have to extract the data. We first collect all the data which are relevant to our visual. So the next is data parsing. So in this data parsing, we collect all the data. So after collecting it, we have to clean the data from the raw data. We just gather all the data in a particular area. So from that, what we have to visual to the audience. So that is the very important thing. So we understand what we have to deliver to the audience. So based on that, we have to clean the data. So there are n number of datas. So there are more number of redundant datas also is there. So we have to clean and format the datas which we are collected. So we using pandas and data wrangling as a tool to parsing the data. So the next we filter the data. So for in this last we seen we collect the data and we have to clean the data. So after cleaning the data, we have to collect a relevant data. So we have to visual the data to particular audience. So we have to collect all the relevant data sets for the clarity. So if we collect the redundant data, means we have more confusions also, and we cannot represent the visual image what we have actually delivered to audience. So first stage is data acquisition. We collect all the data from the data bases. So the next one is cleaning the data, cleaning the raw data. The next one is the filtering the relevant data. So all the data cannot be related to the particular visual. So which data we have to visual to the audience, so which data we need to make the decision making. So that type of data is only extracted from the large number of data sets. So this is the three types, and the next one is data representation. So after cleaning the data, we have to represent our data like bar chart, bar chart, line graph, or scatter plots, heat maps. So these are all the elements we used. So in the last class also we seen the elements, bar chart, bar chart. So after uh, cleaning the data and extract the data, and we have only an useful information. So based on the useful information, we choose the representation and visualize the data. So the next one is data refinement. So after completing the visual, after choosing it, so we have to add n number of titles, labels for the particular data which we have to be clearly noticed to the audience. So these are all the five stages. So data acquisition and the data refinement, data filtering, data parsing. So these are all the five stages to deliver the visual elements based on the databases. So thank you. So in that last class, in next class we'll see what are all the tools we are used to visual the elements. Thank you.